Hello everyone, good day. We're back home together with these girls and I had so much fun. It was so great. I had so much fun and I enjoyed meeting you all at the convention and of course Cassie and Cassandra. I'm gonna be doing this vlog together with these girls. Yeah, again kasalamat. I enjoyed so much and of course napanalangin na po diba no sa message sa kuan sa convention. And today, which one is Alea and which one is Cassie? Which one is Alea and which one is Cassie? Alright. Aside sa convention nga nahuman lang, aya lang nahuman na po'y masaya na te? Nakaipas ka te? Youth camp kang mahitabo sa May, which is i-held sa Tapak, Pakibato District, Davao City. And I am so glad, I am so blessed to find out that my Alea is actually helping us because we're broke. No, we're not broke.
Half broke.
I mean, dako kasi tabang ang iyang himo kay syempre nanginahanglan tag kwarta karag panahon na pa no. And as a responsible daughter, she did this, right?
So that I could say about for the youth camp and para ako nagkago bulit ko rin
So, yung himo kada na magpatrabaho sa iyang i-save para maka-apply siya sa youth camp. Alright? 50 plus 50, that's
100.
100 plus 50, that's 150 plus 100, 250.
150.
Okay, plus 50 na po. And 20.
300.
Okay. Plus 50.
370.
Plus 100. Nani siya sulod guys. Basig nag-kuan lang mo. Na siya sulod. Na siya sulod.
170.
And 50 and 100. And 50. And then this is a lot of money. 1,000. Yay. Na siya sulod ha.
Sampai dua din.
Dapat tao dia. Wala dapat ako. Okay. Actually, ang expenses sa youth camp kay syempre kinahanglan po niya ma-enjoy dito and ang pamasahe and gasolina taas na kaya. So this is such a nice idea to come up with kaya para makasave ka and makatabang ka sa mo. Thank you so much.